Oh, hi guys, welcome back. I still have this lesson, guys. Can you really eat English? Yes, of course you can. Look here, guys. I'm having lunch. I'm having salad. In my salad, I have onions. I have pieces of apples. I have pieces of carrots. I'm also eating, oh, this is so good, guys, corn on the cob. So good. Sweet. I'm also having rice and beans. My wife cooked some good rice and beans. And also I'm having some cooked baked chicken. So good, guys. Also in this salad, guys, is some tomatoes. Also, guys, you want to put this on your salad. You want to put some salad dressing. Put some salad dressing on your salad. You can mix your salad dressing with some oils, some seasoning, and some water, a little bit of water, and you mix it. Oh, and put a little vinegar in this, a little vinegar in your salad dressing. Also, guys, don't forget orange juice. Orange juice is good for your health. I drink a lot of orange juice. It's vitamin C, good for the body. So good. So listen, guys, thank you for visiting my page. You really can eat English. You can eat English. Please like my page. Hit that subscribe button for me, guys. Also, make a comment. Let me know what you think about these videos, if it's helping you with your English comprehension, okay? Until next time, guys, I'll see you during the next English exercise. Have a great day.